Welcome back to my channel. This is what we're doing today. We're going to do body mist spray. This is summer. We need to enjoy it. We're going to do orange, tangerine, and grapefruit. This is an essential oil. This is not traditional fragrance that we're doing today. I want to welcome our new subscribers. I want to say thank you. Welcome to the family. This is a family channel. And to all our subscribers, thanks for your continued support. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, share the video. I sell on Etsy. I will leave the link so you can click it and support us on Etsy. So if you want to see how to make yours, let's get started. Before I start on anything, I always sanitize my working area. The body, the equipment, everything is washed, clean. And this is mine. I'm not selling this, so I don't need to wear gloves. And these are the essential oil that we're going to need. And I infused orange peel with distilled water. So that way we're going to use it to color our products. And I used for the grapefruit, I used the water that we infused with orange peel with beets. So that will give us that a beautiful pink grapefruit color. So the next thing we're going to start making before we go, we're going to need glycerin, vegetable glycerin we're going to need. And the first one we're going to make orange. I just want to pour a little bit like that, and I'm going to mix it with water. I don't want it to be, you don't want to stain your, I mean, it's not going to stain, but I just don't want it to be too reddish, just like that. So that's why I mix it, so give us that as orange, sunny, Florida orange color. So I'm going to fill the bottle, and I'm going to add, this is just a simple body mist. I add vegetable glycerin. Now to the fragrance that we're using. It all depends on you. For the one that I use about 1 tablespoon, no, teaspoon, not tablespoon. Then you can add more, you can add less. Mine, I love those orange. And you can see the water and all, they are not friends, they are just enemies. So before you use it, you need to shake it all the time just for it to combine. There's nothing to it. And you can add more, like I said, you can add less. You can see the fragrance is up and the water is down. So you just cap it and put it aside and let it stay for 2 hours before you shake it. So that way everything will combine. Normally my product, I make it, I let it sit, and then when I'm ready to send it out, I just add the water to it. So that way it will stay longer and it smells good. So the next one, we're going to make grapefruit. So I use grapefruit, I use sweet almond oil, and I use lang lang. Oh my God, that smells so good. Those three combo, these are my favorite. It smells so good. So I mean, you can, so now because we use 3 of these, you can just add drop like a 1/4 of a teaspoon each until you satisfy your desired scent. But me, I just, sometimes I wanted to, I can sleep on essential oil or if they make the bed. So you just fill it up just like that, and you add, yeah, I put a little bit more in there, glycerin. These are the simple recipe that anybody can make. So after that, you can even add vitamin E oil, and you just set it aside. Do not shake. Let it sit for about 2 hours. So these are the tangerine that we are making right now. You fill the cup with water, and you just add vegetable glycerin. And then after that, you just add your fragrance. There are varieties of fragrance that you can use, combination or individually, that is going to smell so good. I'm going to be making more of those. And also you can visit our online store also to purchase. And this is it. Everything is set. You just let it sit. And please let us be friends on Instagram. Pinterest, Twitter at Ronke Beauty. And I'm going to put the link to our store so you can check it out. This should be up. If not, just please check back. I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you for your love, for your continued support. Lord Jesus Christ will continue to bless you all. Love you guys. Mwah.